It was just an average normal day at BLENNZ Home My Campus. Ben was going down to class when he noticed something interesting on the wall.
What's this for? Don't push this button. Why not? Push the button. Don't push the button. Do it. Don't do it. Push the button. Don't do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Don't push that button.
Why not?
You'll get in trouble.
What kind of trouble?
Big trouble.
Okay. Push the button. Push the button.
Wait, what? Hello? Anybody in there? Hello? I'm busting! Oh, thanks, man.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Make me walk, make me talk, whatever you
Ah, yum! I love Oreos!
Things are getting really weird around here all of a sudden.
Today, class, we're learning about Roman numerals.
Change in plans. We're doing a TikTok dance. Put your phone away, young lady. How many times do I have to tell you? Everybody ready?
Told you not to push that button. Oh, sorry, man. Oh, sorry, man.
Attention, attention. All classes are cancelled. I repeat, all classes are cancelled. Everyone can go home. There's ice cream in the staff room.
Yay!
What's that smell? Bradley farted.
Oh, sorry, man.
What are you guys doing here? I found a magic button. You can press it if you want. Oh yeah, man. Gee, I pushed the button, I pushed it. The alarm's on.
I'm out of here.
Someone is gonna be in real big trouble.
Who pressed that button? Which one of you pressed that button?
He did it. 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 I did it. You are. He did it. No, you did it. You did it. You did it.
When the film finishes, just happens.